Hey guys, quick video on how to change the fog light bulbs on a, I believe it's the same for a 2004 or 2005 to 2018 Volvo VNL. You're not gonna be able to pull out the bulb from these two Allen bolts in the front. You're gonna have to go in the back behind the bumper, and you're gonna see these three bolts right here. You're gonna have to take those out to pull the whole fog light assembly out, and then you can be able to take the bulb bolt from behind the assembly. So once you get those three bolts out from behind it, if it's a little bit tough to pull out, there's nothing else that's holding it. All you need to do is maybe pry it a little bit, like so. And this is what it looks like from behind the assembly. Also, you just take that bulb out, pop a new one in, and then you're good to go. When taking out those bolts from behind the bumper, you do have to take extra care and not to strip them. Be very careful, because once you strip these, you're gonna have to grind out the head of that bolt to be able to take this out. It's not a bad idea to put anti-seize on the bolt before you screw it back in either. So, quick tip.